Hey guys, Jason here. Today, my dad bought me an original headset, and today we're gonna be unboxing. Well, I saw one video, but unboxing the limited collector edition of Doom 3, and I got it for Xbox Original, which pretty much can play on my Xbox. I hope. On the back it says the gateway to hell is open. The exclusive collector's edition includes full version of the original Unlimited Doom and Doom 2. Play the classic single player campaigns or play split screen, coupe or deathmatch with 2 through 4 players on one Xbox. Behind the scenes of Doom 3, a G4 video game TV icons feature. Interviews with the ID software team, concept and production art gallery, and it's 10 out of 10 XBN magazine. So here's the back. What if Zach has a light in here? Oh yeah, by the way, Zach, if you recognize the room, I'm using it. So this is just it alone, like this. If you find something like this and they said it's gonna come with a case, I would not bet on it. So you can see the white right there and stuff. Then we got this, like solid, man. Okay. Then there's this. Oh, before I show the game, there's this one. Right, there's the back. It has a Satan thing. Zag, you're gonna be wondering where I keep this game. I'm gonna keep it in your room, just in case it's a real Satan game. So this is it all alone. It all alone. There's a VR, and here's this. The game. Usually the game doesn't look like that, but yeah. This is Satan's game. Putting it back all the way in. Let's see what's in the box. The front case says Xbox, just Xbox. Everything is Xbox One, is not. Then live, online enabled. Mature 17 plus, 12-year-old, mature 12 plus. And it's rated M. Contact rated by ESRB. My brother can play this game. Game experience may change during online play, and it's made by ID. It's like all that. So, yep. This only cost me $5. No, $4. Yeah. I don't know what else I should unbox, but this is gonna be my Doom 3 limited collector's edition. So yeah, see you guys. Bye.